Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, we're going to look at how to handle keyboard input in Phaser 4. We'll learn how to listen for key events, check for specific keys, use the built-in cursor keys, and even detect key combos. Let's jump right in. Phaser gives us access to the keyboard through this.input.keyboard. If we log this to our console, you'll see as a keyboard plugin that manages all of your key presses. The simplest way to detect key presses is with event listeners. Use this.input.keyboard.on, pass in an event name like keydown or keyup, then provide a callback function. Then in our callback function, we're going to receive a keyboard event. In our callback, if we do a console log, we'll do any key pressed, and then we'll log out that key. Now if we press any key on our keyboard, we should see our log message show up in our console. If we switch this to key up, now when we press our key, we don't see our log message, but once we release the key on our keyboard, we'll see our event is triggered. This listens for any key. If you want a specific key, you can add it to the event. As an example, if we do key down dash, then B, now when we press our keys on our keyboard, we don't see our log message, but the moment we press our B key, we see our event is fired. For our keys we pass here, we always want to make sure we use uppercase for our key names. Another way is to create a key object and then check if it's being pressed down inside our update loop. This is useful if you need continuous input, like moving a character while a key is being held. Creating key object, can do this.input, our keyboard, add key. Now for our key, we'll do our phaser, input, keyboard, our key codes, we'll do our space key. Then down in our update method, we can do if our space key, if it's currently being pressed down, we'll log out our message. So now when we press and hold our space key, we should see our log message. Phaser also has a handy shortcut for arrow keys, space, and shift. Just call this.input.keyboard.createCursorKeys, and this will create an object with all those keys. Then down our update method, we can reference our cursor keys object. We can reference one of our keys. So if we do left, and then we'll do is down, we'll update our log message, we'll say holding left. Now when we press and hold our left key, we get the same effect. And now we can do this for any of the keys on this object. You can also detect key combos. We can use this.input.keyboard, create combo, then we can pass in a string or an array of characters, and Phaser will track if that combo is typed. To be notified when your combo is matched, we can listen for an event. So if we do this.input.keyboard.on, we want to listen for our key combo match. And then you need to provide a callback function. And this function, we're going to do a console log, and we'll say combo matched. So now if we press those keys in order, we should see our event gets fired. With our combo keys, we can also check our progress of completing that combo. In our update method, if we do console log, we reference our combo keys, and then we can log out our progress. So now as we press our keys in our combo, we'll see our progress is updated until we reach 1. And that's it. We looked at event listeners, key objects, cursor keys, and combos. With these tools, you can capture almost any keyboard event in Phaser 4. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit the thumbs up and drop a comment with any other Phaser topics you'd like to see next. If you want to support the channel and help me keep making tutorials, I've got a Ko-fi page, link in the description. Every coffee helps. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss other Phaser tutorials. See you next time.